A sudden squall blew up the Bismarck Sea and the boats limped to Kaka, where some of them insisted on remaining back at the island rather than risk the choppy waters. Many people have lost their lives at sea during bad weather while risking it traveling from the island to the mainland. It is the main route that they take to come over to the other side to access basic services. Around AM this morning, the strong wind suddenly blew up around the Bismarck Sea, along the north coast of Madang in Papua New Guinea. The villagers along the coast felt the effects of the wind, but luckily there's only minor damages of properties and a few fallen trees. No one was reported injured.